Hi, I'm Greg with Pureform, and I'm here at a Habitat for Humanity project in Vancouver with Jennifer and Jess. And we're here to donate some brushes and help them out with some projects here. So what was your first impression when you picked it up?
So what I noticed when I first picked it up is just how natural it feels in my hand. So the ergonomics of this paintbrush just seem overall better than other ones. I don't know if it's just because of the balance. It seems like it's very well balanced. It's lightweight. As you were pointing out when I picked it up, like I don't feel like there's any tension going on up my arm that I sometimes feel when I'm painting. So it just feels natural and lightweight and very user-friendly.
How about you, Jennifer?
Well, I have a smaller version of it, and yeah, I like that it fits in my hand really nice. It seems like I can hold it more steady than a normal paintbrush. So,
when you first picked it up and looked at the brush, I noticed that you took a look at the quality of the bristles and the filaments.
Oh yeah, so a lot of the ones we get are usually like dollar brushes, to be honest, because we go through a lot of brushes and those bristles come out all the time and we're constantly picking out bristles. So it seems like these are really good quality bristles. Not only are they soft, but it seems like they're gonna stay in there fairly well. We're not gonna have to be picking out or leaving streak marks because the bristles are just coming out constantly.
It's time the paintbrush entered the 21st century.